I picked up these window clings from Dollar General for $1 and this little wooden sign for $1 from there as well. And at first I wanted to paint it white and put one of the orange pumpkins on there, but I'm trying to branch out and not go towards your typical fall color, so I picked the blue one. I just applied Mod Podge on the sign and pressed out the window cling on there to get out all the bubbles. And the stencils you see there are from Dollar Tree. I was going to use some white paint to spell out "Hey Pumpkin," but after I peeled off the stencils, it peeled off the gray paint on the actual sign. And so I decided to just peel those off and try to freehand it with some blue paint. And as I was putting the blue acrylic paint on there, it was a lot brighter than the blue pumpkin. And after hanging it up on the wall for a while, I didn't like it. So I actually end up going back in with white paint over it. And here I'm just adding a burlap bow. I got the burlap from Dollar Tree for $1 and just hot gluing that on there to kind of dress it up a little. This wasn't my favorite project that I did out of the 3, but it turned out okay. I had some of these gray buckets on hand and I wanted to give it a galvanized look, so I'm just dotting on black and white paint, and then I mix the colors together to kind of give it a galvanized look. It doesn't look exactly like metal, but it kind of gives the illusion, unless you're looking really closely. I'm just applying Mod Podge directly onto the bucket after the paint had dried, and I'm going to be attaching another window cling that came with that set. It says "Welcome to our pumpkin patch," and I think it looks really cute on there. It almost looks like it's painted on there. I wanted to use this bucket as a floral piece, so I'm just stuffing some plastic sacks in there so it fills out the flowers, and I picked up some fall colored flowers for $1 a piece over at Dollar Tree, and I'm just kind of arranging it in there to whatever looks best. I love these maple leaves and the colors. I'm more of an orange and burgundy kind of gal when it comes to fall. And window clings are really awesome to use if you don't have a Cricut. It's a cheap way to get the Cricut look without having to own a Cricut machine. And I was gonna stick a pumpkin inside there that I had worked on, but I just didn't like the look of it. It looked kind of funny, so I ended up taking that right back out. And here's how it turned out. You can't even tell that it's painted unless you get really up close. I love the farm truck trend that has been going on. I think it's so cute, and I found another window cling set at Dollar General that has a farm truck on it. So here I'm just using a scrap piece of wood and some white paint to cover that, and then I'm going to put a window cling on there and create another little sign. And I must say, this is by far my favorite project that I did. When I use Mod Podge, I always use less than I actually need, and then I'd rather go in and add more than put too much on and have it bubble up underneath what I'm trying to apply. This truck is like this turquoise blue color, and that's my favorite color, and it's definitely different than your typical fall colors, so it's nice to see something a little different. And the sunflowers in the back are just really cute because sunflowers are one of my favorite flowers. So I'm just applying that on there and just pressing out the bubbles again, and I'll add in a little bit more sunflowers on the side to kind of give it a little something on the border. I love how this one turned out. I should have probably painted it a darker color to cover some of the window cling, but hey, it was only $1. Just remember, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make really cute projects. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.